A social audit under NFSA 2013 was piloted in Khandwa district of Madhya Pradesh in 2018-2019. Rationale. With the enactment of NFSA 2013, there was a paradigm shift from welfare to rights-based approach. Food and nutrition security is mentioned in the Act in a human life cycle approach. However, all the public services under NFSA have been challenged with serious implementation problems. Chapter 11 of NFSA talks about regular social audit. Social audit model in Madhya Pradesh. There was no such simplified NFSA social audit model available anywhere in India. There was lack of capacity, such as trained human resources for conducting social audit. There was low level of monitoring and awareness generation for NFSA entitlements. With this background, pilot objectives were to design and implement a replicable model of NFSA social audit and awareness generation, and to develop knowledge products, training modules, guidelines, and IEC materials. Methods. Khandwa, largely a representative district with 35% tribal population, district administration was very supportive, was selected for the pilot. Out of 6 blocks, 5 gram panchayats and 1 urban ward were selected. Door-to-door survey, focus group discussions, and observation were some of the methods. Steering structure. Key stakeholders: Department of Food and Public Distribution, Government of India, with Department of Food, Civil Supplies and Consumer Protection, Government of Madhya Pradesh guided the pilot. GIZ Food and Nutrition Security Project facilitated the pilot. All the line departments responsible for the implementation of NFSA in the state were actively participated in the pilot. Local NGOs such as Vikas Sambad and Suruat were part of the pilot. Key activities. There were a series of state-level consultations for designing different components of the pilot. Then we have formed social audit teams at state, district, block, and Gram Panchayat levels. Then we identified trainers and conducted trainings of trainers. These trainers then conducted training of social audit team members at district headquarters. Then district administration issued notification for special Gram Sabha as per Panchayati Raj Act. Then social audit alongside awareness generation campaign were conducted. Findings were shared at the special Gram Sabha meetings. Finally, a report was produced. Results and findings. This pilot revealed gaps in the execution of the National Food Security Act schemes. In PDS, around 5% eligible extremely poor households don't have ration cards. There are some families reported receiving less in quantity food grains from the fair price shops. The quality of food grains sometimes reported good, sometimes average. FPS opens only for 2 to 3 days per week. There were issues related to server and internet connectivity. Grievance redressal mechanism, same helpline number was not known to the respondents. ICDS and midday meals. The midday meals provided to children and students was reportedly of average quality and less in quantity. Timetable and menu were not followed in ICDS. There were inadequate infrastructures at Anganwadi centers and schools. There were delays in supply of ration and payments to the self-help groups. Policy implications. The MP model was shared with the food secretaries of all Indian states in a national level conference organized by the Food Ministry in October 2019. The report of the pilot was also presented to the Secretary, Department of Food and Public Distribution, Government of India. The DWCD Madhya Pradesh has included social audit in the recently drafted nutrition policy and has shown interest for implementing ICDS social audit in the state. Accordingly, a social audit proposal for ICDS was submitted to the Director DWCD Madhya Pradesh. Thank you.